Well, good afternoon, everyone. This is Bermuda Bob, your leadership expert, coming to you from beautiful and sunny Bermuda. It's Sunday, and as you can see, I have my Jets shirt on because the Jets are going to be playing in a couple of hours, and they're looking to go 2-0, and that will be a great thing if you're a Jets fan, that is. However, today I'm going to be talking to you about the Fermi principle. Now, that goes back to the famous physicist Enrico Fermi. In fact, he was a Nobel Peace Prize winner back in 1938. Now, before I do that, though, I want to just have a quick commercial. On the 2nd of October, Dr. John Maxwell will be holding a special conference for people who are connected to the John Maxwell team, and he will be actually teaching from his new book. This is an opportunity that you don't want to miss, and if you are receiving this message, you would want to email me at bermudabob@me.com. That's bermudabob@me.com, and I will be able to give you a phone number or a internet link with a passcode. This is really something you don't want to miss because Dr. Maxwell is the leadership guru, and anytime he shares information, you certainly want to, you'd be like that RCA dog, you just want to hear everything that he has to say because he is just so phenomenal when it comes to teaching leadership. As he says, everything rises and falls on leadership, nothing more, nothing less. Now, going hand in hand with what I'm talking about today, the Fermi principle, is the latest book that came out by Michael Hyatt, and it's called The Platform. And quite frankly, if you were to go back and study the Fermi principle, you would understand that he said that he could not actually believe, with all the stars and galaxies out there, that we were the only ones here on Earth where there would be civilization. And so as a result of that, they set up these radio telescopes and they started sending out electrical waves everywhere into space with the hope that some of them would bounce back with a message from another life form. And of course, if you take and study this further, you know that these locations are light years and light years away, and in many cases, when the sound does return, that we're a lot older than we were when we sent the messages in the first place. Where am I going with all of this as far as the Fermi principle is concerned? I go back to Michael Hyatt's book. We are being bombarded every day. There are billions of us on planet Earth. There are so many messages going on out there, radio waves, TV waves. You may even hear some noise in the background. There are cars driving, lawnmowers cutting grass, birds singing. But there are just so many sounds, and they are all inundating us, encapsulating us, and we have to be able to channel and focus our energy onto what it is that we are working on. And this is where leadership comes in, and leaders have to understand that, in fact, one of Maxwell's 21 laws of leadership says that a whole lot of effort does not necessarily connotate accomplishment. And so the key word today, going back to the Fermi principle, is focus. What is it that you're going to accomplish? What are the steps that you're going to write down so that you can get on that road to accomplishment? Or are you just going to go out there and hope for hit and misses, sending radio waves and thoughts out there in the hopes that it's going to bounce off the right person? Well, if you understand nuclear physics, quantum physics, over my head most of the time, there are just electrons and neutrons and protons out there bouncing all over space, and occasionally one hits another. That's where the nuclear bomb came about, something else that Fermi was responsible for. So my point today with talking about the Fermi principle and with bringing up Michael Hyatt's book, The Platform, is that with all the noise out there, you need to channel your energy towards your specific goals and dreams. And if you do that, you will accomplish a lot more, a lot faster, and with a lot more success. Have a great day. Go Jets.